Hello everyone, I'm Ayush. Today I will be presenting my project titled Result Processing System, which is a Java-based desktop application designed to manage student data, marks, and generate results efficiently. In this presentation, I will walk you through the system architecture, implementation, design, and a complete feature demonstration. Talking about the architecture, I have used Java Swing, JDBC, and Supabase. Let's first talk about Java Swing. It is used to build the graphical user interface. It provides components like frames, buttons, tables, and forms. The application follows an event-driven architecture, meaning such as users actions such as button clicks triggers specific functions using event listeners. Next, we have JDBC, which stands for Java Database Connectivity. It acts as a bridge between the Java application and the database. It allows us to execute SQL queries, retrieve data, and update records. Talking about the Supabase, it is used as backend. It provides a cloud-hosted PostgreSQL database, which means all the data is stored securely online instead of locally. Talking about system implementation and design, starting with the UI structure, the application mainly consists of two frames. First is login frame, like this, where we have to enter admin user and password. Then next is dashboard frame. After successful login, the user is redirected to the dashboard. Inside the dashboard, I have used card layout for navigation, which allows switching between different panels like student, subject, marks, and reports without opening new windows. For designing forms, I have used grid bag layout and grid layout. Grid bag layout provides flexibility in arranging components, while grid layout ensures proper alignment of form fields. Coming to event handling, each button in the application has an event listener attached to it. For example, when a user clicks a button, it triggers a specific method, for example, adding a student or processing result. Let's talk about the database design. The system mainly contains of four tables. First one is student, second is subject, third one is marks, and fourth one is results. Where all the data, like in the students table, all the data related to students will be held. All the subjects data will be held in subjects table, and marks will be held in the marks table. Next, talking these are all connected through JDBC as the PostgreSQL is configured. Talking about the demonstration of the project, first we have to log in with the credentials. It will take some time to fetch data from the database. Yes, I have already added few test data. Here we can add student and update their marks, delete their ID or delete their data. Example, let's add one data, CS05. Here we can see student added successfully. Now talking about the subject, here we can add our subject, update the subject. Currently I have uh, initialized three subjects. Not talking about the marks entry. Here we can enter the marks of the student. Uh, wait a sec. Here, the data we have to enter, let's say internal marks. Okay. Like that, we have to enter marks for all the subjects. Now after entering marks, we can calculate the result. Here we can click process result. Here the error or warning is there because for the CS04 we have not added any subject mark. So that is why it's giving an error for preventing this kind of error. So if we don't add any students all the marks, it will show this warning. Now talking about here, all the results are processed. Now if we want to generate a report, we can export it through this PDF. Let's say the we have saved as result. So yeah, the report will be exported like this. And at last we have logout button where you can just log out and we come back to the admin page, admin login page.